Please,
to me,
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you are
an
serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I know
times
you
have
are not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
if you are serious,
How many
if
times
you
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi. Really serious.
How
If
many
you are
times
serious,
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi.
Ardent, Somit, please.
Sir, in the course of the reply, the Chief Minister has replied, but and according to his explanation, sir, we can understand, we can come to the conclusion that the government is not at all serious with the issue of ILP. So, let me justify and substantiate. The government is examining. When the government is examining, the ILP that means it is a continuous process. How long it will take? And this very House had passed a resolution. When was the resolution passed? Till today, we are yet to see the light of the day, sir. You give me time because this is very
I've given
important.
so much time. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
but
already
let me
37
express,
minutes.
sir, the problem that we are facing. Why the state wants ILP? Let all here be clear. Why the state wants ILP? Because the contribution to the influx into the state of Maghalaya doesn't come only from the foreigners. It comes from outsiders outside the state of Maghalaya. So, which is why we feel that ILP is the best mechanism. Whether you like it or not, this Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 will be made applicable. Because this, as has been rightly said by the leader of the House, is not a new law. It is only a modernization where India has adopted by consolidating 4 colonial era laws. So this is not a new law. This law was not made to prevent the influx in Meghalaya. This law was made to tackle the foreigners coming to India. So we are facing a very peculiar situation where the influx contributing to the state of Meghalaya comes from the foreign country and also from other states of India.
Your question, please.
So which is why even the Constitution, because they used to say, no, it violates the Constitution, Article 19, freedom to travel to any part. So my question is that, my question is that I would like, a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I've not had the opportunity
Please,
to meet
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you
an
are serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I
times
know
have
you are not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are
How many
serious,
times have you met?
if you are serious,
How many
if
times
you
have
go
you
to
met?
Delhi. Really serious.